In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Nordvpn pop-up notifications. If you're someone who finds those constant connection alerts distracting, don't worry. There's a simple way to turn them off. Let's get started. First, open the Nordvpn application on your computer. If you can't find it on your desktop, check your applications or search for it in your start menu. Once the app is open, look to the bottom left corner of the window and click on the gear icon. That's the settings menu. Inside the settings panel, click on the general section. This is where you'll find a variety of customization options for your Nordvpn experience. Now look for the setting labeled Show VPN Connection Status Notifications. These are the pop-ups that appear every time you connect or disconnect from a VPN server. To disable them, simply toggle the switch off. That's it. From now on, you won't see those frequent pop-up messages interrupting your workflow. And if you ever decide you want them back, you can return to this same menu and toggle the switch on again. By following these quick steps, you've now stopped Nordvpn from showing connection notifications, giving you a cleaner, more focused experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech guides.